If you're a vlogger and you have monetized your YouTube channel, you can agree with me that vlogging is one of the niches that has the lowest CPM or RPM. You can be creating a daily vlog, putting in so much effort, and sometimes you can even be getting thousands of views. But when you look at your dashboard, the amount of money you are seeing over there is not matching the efforts you are putting in because vlogging has the lowest CPM on YouTube. But I have a good news. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your CPM or RPM. And no, I'm not here to tell you to start affiliate marketing or to become an Amazon FBA. No, I'm teaching you how you can increase your YouTube ad CPM while also vlogging. Yeah, that money YouTube pays you, how YouTube can pay you more through ads while you are still vlogging. Before I tell you how you can do this, first of all, you need to understand why vlogging niche has a low CPM because it is when you understand it that you'll be able to understand how you can make YouTube to pay you more while vlogging. I'm going to talk about three reasons why the vlogging channel has low CPM. So the first reason is that vlogging has a broad or general audience. Vlogging appeals to almost everyone, be it teenagers, young people, parents, like it's a broad niche. But you see, advertisers are the people who pay YouTube money and then we and YouTube share it. So, but advertisers, they are targeting specific people. For example, banks are targeting professionals who are looking for mortgage. So they are not targeting a random person who is just looking at somebody's daily money routine. Nah. The second reason why vlog channels or vlogging niche has low CPM is because it has a low commercial intent. So what I mean by this is when people watch vlog, they watch it mainly for entertainment. So maybe they are curious about your daily life, about your trip, about your personality. So they are not watching it because they want to buy something. Like they're just watching it for fun and not because they want to buy something. Since they don't have any intention of buying anything, advertisers are not willing to spend huge money to show ads in vlogging niche. Yeah, now the third reason why vloggers have low CPM is because vlogging is entertainment heavy content. So vlogs focus mostly on casual fun, storytelling, and personality. So why content like this can build connection? It does not align with advertisers' goal. For example, an educational video about how to budget your salary is more valuable to advertisers than a day in my life at the beach. So now, how do you increase your RPM? How do you increase your CPM? And listen here, I'm not here to tell you to start affiliate marketing or to start Amazon FBI. No, I'm here to show you how you can vlog and YouTube will increase your CPM or your RPM times 5 or even times 10. Yes, so how do you do this? First of all, we all know that there are so many niches that has high paying niche. For example, we have finance niche, tech niche, business niche. So if you want YouTube to increase your RPM or CPM, you need to blend in higher CPM niche into your vlogs. It might sound hard, but trust me, it is not hard. It is very simple. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. So first, we have the finance niche. So everybody on YouTube, or as long as you have been a YouTuber for long, you know that finance is one of the most profitable niche on YouTube. Here is how you can vlog in the finance niche. So, for example, you can talk about how you manage your money in your life. You can talk about how you make your grocery budget. You can talk about how you save, or you can even talk about how much you spend in a week. For example, you can make a video titled A Day in My Life Living on $30, or you can make a video about how I budget for travel as a student. This whole thing is what I call vlogging in niches. You vlog, but you vlog it in higher paying niches. So the second one is tech. Tech is also one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. So here's how to do it. So you can show your camera. You can show the camera you use. You can show your editing app. When a new phone comes out and maybe you're able to purchase it, like for example, Right now, the iPhone 17 is out. So if maybe you are a rich person or somehow your parents is rich and you're able to afford it, you can make a vlog on you going to get it and unboxing it and maybe saying what you like about it. So that is you vlogging and vlogging in a high paying niche. So you're vlogging and mixing a tech niche. So the third niche is traveling. Instead of showing the places you go, you can talk about how you plan for it. For example, you can make a video titled "A Day in Paris" plus how I saved on hostels, educational or productive niche. So it is also a high paying niche. So where you can mix study hacks, time management tips, or productivity routine. So for example, let's say you are a student. So you can make a video titled "A Day in My Life as a Student, Balancing Work and Study." They also have health. Health is also a high paying niche. So you can make a video titled "My Morning Routine Vlog" plus my 10 minutes workout. So we also have the side hustle niche. If you're making money online, you can talk about how you make money online, how you freelance, and you can even talk about how you make content, yeah, the behind the scene of the content. So if you want YouTube to increase your RPM or your CPM, you need to vlog in niches. And now you might think that this vlogging in niches is going to kind of limit you or maybe to make you to kind of become a financial YouTuber or a tech YouTuber. Nah. You see, vlogging in itself is a niche. And since you are in that niche, you can vlog into other niche. And that is the best part of this. If you want to increase your RPM while still vlogging, then you need to vlog in niches. Add high paying niches into your vlog. Don't just post a random video of you maybe spending your day or doing some things that are not meaningful. Add value to your content and you'll see how your RPM is going to increase. So if you find this video helpful, you can like the video and you can also subscribe and you can watch this video over here and I'll see you there.